Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about our income tax refund calculator and how to use the calculator that we have on our site and how to walk through it to see what credits and deductions you're going to qualify for and how it's going to affect your refund. So I'm going to get the video going and we'll go through this together. So you can get an instant estimate of what your refund or taxes owed can be with our calculator. It's updated with all the new deductions and credits out there. There's been lots of new changes to the tax law over the last year with the new administration and some of the new ways they have out there to try to spur the economy. It's allowed for a lot more deductions and credits that you may qualify for. And on this calculator, it's going to show those to you. You can prepare the return directly online at our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video the site and the calculator and estimator you can use. Now, it's very easy to use this calculator. All you have to do is enter some really basic information to get an estimate of what your taxes are going to be, and it automatically calculates it right as you're entering the information. It's going to calculate it. As you can see, it's going to either go up or down as you enter in each little bit of information you have for your taxes. Some of the recent changes to the tax law that I wanted to cover is there are adjusted tax brackets. So whatever tax bracket you may have been in last year, you could be in a new one this year. So it's important. That's why it's important to use the calculator to see what bracket you might be in now. There's a payroll tax credit now. It's an extended HOPE credit for college students. There's the first-time homebuyer credit, which most of you know about. There's an increase to the sales tax deduction and the child tax credit. And there's a lot more credits and deductions that are available this year that weren't in prior years. When you begin the tax calculator, what you can do is you can enter the information in there and then stop and save your information, and as you get more tax information sent to you, you can go back to that calculator, put it in there, and see how it's going to change your taxes. So you can constantly be using this calculator estimator to get a live update of what your taxes are going to be and your refund's going to be. After you're done using the calculator, you can go right into preparing your return. It's just click in the button and you can go right into preparing the return. And the great thing about this on the site is when you prepare the return, they do a full error check. So as you're going through, you can stop and save at any point. You could stop, right in the beginning after you enter in, just a little bit of information, hit the error check, and it's going to check all that information you put in. And it'll let you know instantly if there's a problem with it. And you can go through the whole return doing this. You can get done with it and then run another error check, and it's going to catch any mistakes you make. So that's really a great feature it has. I'm going to take you to the site now and show you the calculator real quick and our site. So here's our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com. And on this site we have links to more credits and deductions that you could qualify for. You have the child tax credit, the mortgage interest deduction, the earned income credit, the homeowner deductions, capital gains. We explain that, the federal inheritance tax laws. And we'll take you to the link for the estimator. So you can click on this link, or you could click on this link. Any link that's going to say calculator estimator is going to take you to it. So we'll let this load up real quick. And on here is where you're going to want to use the calculator, okay? You're going to go onto here and complete the calculator, and you're going to be able to see exactly where your taxes are going to be at, okay? So we have the link right here. You can click either on here or here. We'll estimate your refund. So this is the box to the right where it's going to do the instant calculation, which I talked about. And as you put in each amount, it's going to constantly be updating this. So we have the deductions, credits, and payments. So house, donations, retirement, other tax payments, education, family, and other deductions. And here's where you're going to enter all your income, any other income, and business income. It's very simple, so I'm just going to show you real quick. So here you're going to put in your wages, withholding amount, and what you can do is if you don't have your W-2 information or any of those statements yet, you can estimate. You could take last year's tax return, put in the information, and then adjust it based on what you think it's going to be this year, is how that works. And then, once you do your calculator, take it back, you can at any point just start doing your return right on here. So start now and you're set to go and preparing the return. And like I said, it's going to run a full error check as you're working through it. So great feature. And I want to just go a couple areas I think that are most important to you guys. Some of you may have a home business, so this software will allow you to put in the information for if you have a home business and how to calculate the taxes for that. So in the estimator, you can put in all that information for a small business on the estimator calculator, and it's going to determine the taxes for that. So that's, if you have a job and you have a side business, you can do that, or just a business. It's still going to calculate all that. And it's going to calculate all the deductions and credits you qualify for as you put them in. It's going to automatically give them to you in that estimator. So if you have any questions about estimating your taxes or calculating them, send me an email, expert@harborfinancialonline.com. I'll help you any way I can with your questions. I appreciate you watching the videos. Hopefully you'll check out some of my other videos I have out there. We have a pretty big list now. And check out our website, harborfinancialonline.com. You can prepare the return and calculate your taxes there. Thank you.